Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to get more shields or shield skins. So if we come up to the top right corner of the screen, you can see 3 orange shields, which is all of our shields. So there are a few ways that you can obtain some more shields, and I'm going to explain them to you in this video. So the first way is to complete the current in-game event. So as you guys can see, the current in-game event is lasso loops. So if you play the game and you land on the spaces, you are going to win certain rewards, and sometimes these can be shields. So you want to keep playing the in-game event to be in with a chance to win some shields. Also, by completing your daily wins and obtaining your weekly rewards. So if we press on the bottom left corner of the screen, the wins button, and you can see here all of our daily wins. So if you keep completing those daily, sometimes the weekly prize for this is a new shield skin. Also, Monopoly Go release special game events that you need to join in order to collect themed shields. So those are a few ways in order to get some more shields in the Monopoly Go app. I really hope that this video was helpful and useful for you. If you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, that does really help our channel and we appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all soon.